She's just a girl and she's on fire, hotter than a fantasy, lonely like a highway. She's living in a world and it's on fire, filled with catastrophe, but she knows she can fly away. Oh, she got both feet on the ground and she's burning it down. Oh, she got her head in the clouds and she's not backing down. This girl is on fire. This girl is on fire. She's walking on fire. This girl is on fire. Looks like a girl, but she's a flame. So bright she can burn your eyes. Better look the other way. You can try, but you'll never forget her name. She's on top of the world, hottest of the hottest girls. Say, oh, we got our feet on the ground and we're burning it down. Oh, got our head in the
You know, it's Melika Skylife in the building, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're on my channel for the first time, please subscribe. I'm trying to hit 500 subscribers. Be it things go start going on this. Now, in today's video, I'm going to do the get to know me tag. I wanted to do things a little bit different, and you know that some of the outdoor setting and be it things. Anyways, so this has 30 questions. I'm gonna try to see if I can run through them quickly and stuff. So the first question says, what is my middle name? My middle name is Janelle. The second question says, what is my favorite color? Well, I like the shade black. Not a color, I like the shade black. I love black. Yeah. Who was your best friend? My best friend was Karen Malcolm. She was also my cousin, so we grew up together. So she was my very first best friend. How tall are you? I am 5 feet 3 inches. I got it checked the other day, so I know I'm correct. Cats or dogs? Dog, of course. If you had watched my sister tag with my sister Punky, you would have known that. So check the description box below. I'm gonna link the sister tag so you can see that as well. What's your funniest moment throughout school? I remember I left school so long now. My funniest moment throughout school. Okay, throughout school, I remember when I was in primary school and I was sent to a new school. So my cousin Karen, she was at the school as well. She just came to the school as well. So we live far away from home here. And then I said to Karen, let's walk home in the rain. Why not me talk in English? What is? Mr. Karen, I could walk home in the rain. I did. Me and Karen walk halfway, we could have gone no further. Me tell us Monday morning my mother moved me from the school. That was so funny. We were so wet, so soaked. I'm bathing. How many countries have you visited? I have only visited one country, that's the US. I plan to go many more places because I'm so into traveling and getting new experiences, because experience is a thing that you cannot put a price on. Are you in/gone to college? Don't ask me if I'm in college or have I gone to college. Well, I am in university right now. I'm actually pursuing my degree in business and general study, majoring in marketing. I might switch to entrepreneurship, but I feel like I'm on the media and communication as well. Mommy, I go post any year because I'm always kind of changing what I want to do, but I know that I want to do entrepreneurship, and media and communication is something that I'm falling in love with. So just maybe I pursue that as well. What was your favorite and worst subject throughout high school? My favorite subject was IT, information technology. And funny enough, I didn't get a chance to do it in CXC just because of the teacher or whatnot. But I'm very good with computers. And my worst subject was math, of course. You know, everybody I hate math. But no, you know, say maths are Spanish. I couldn't bother with Spanish. And when I take my pass through Spanish at high school, when I start college, I hit the book up on. I grieve. Next question. What's your favorite drink? I love water. Water is my favorite drink. Like when I drink water, I say Jamaica bigger better network. Like I just love water. What's your favorite animal? I don't have my favorite animal. I don't know. What's your favorite perfume? I don't really like perfume because I have a really bad sinus and it affects me a lot. So I kind of ease off my perfume. Okay, next question. What is your favorite? Coffee or tea? No, to the above. Mommy have to cost me to drink tea. I'm gonna like coffee. I don't even like the smell of coffee. It hurts my head. What would you or have named your child? Well, I don't have my kids yet, so I would name my child something like Romella, because that's the name of my partner and my name together. I like that. I always say that, Romella or Romel. I don't know. What sports do you or have played in the past? Well, I can play football, netball, cricket, track and field. I used to do track and field before. No. Yeah, so I was pretty active back then. I used to do all of that: football, netball, track and field, drama, dance, things. What is your favorite book? My favorite book is Be More Careful by what name? Something like Herlock. Be More Careful. The book is called Be More, and it was about new and blacks, and it was a book based in Baltimore. Guys, and I need to read it, and I'm not good. Tell you the truth, I do not love reading, and that book like disciplined me to come home early to go and read it. I'm just to tell you. Who are some of your favorite YouTubers? Well, my favorite number one YouTuber is Trabas, because he was the one who really inspired me to start vlogging. And like, that's my favorite YouTuber. I also watch Petite Sue, that's Divinity Nation. Why I watch her? She plans her thing on point. I really admire that about her, and she's really consistent with what she is doing. I like that with her. And I like Nisha from Future's Closet. These are all Jamaican vloggers as well, and Jamaican YouTubers. American vloggers that I love is DK4L. I always watch them. I always watch also American vloggers Damo and Chrissy. They are really good really good people. They are really good people. What is your favorite movie? Like, my favorite movie, like, I love Bad Boys is one of my favorite movies of all times. Yeah, Bad Boys, I think that's my favorite. Bad Boys. Are you single or are you taken? Bam! I joke. It's not a marriage ring. It's not a marriage ring, but I'm not single. I'm very much taken, and yes. What's your idea of an ideal first date? Well, my ideal first date is, like, I'm a very shy person, very private person as well. Like, I don't want nothing extra, like you go over the board to show me something like you're really not. So I would really like something simple, maybe dinner, maybe movie, and then a dinner, and then we talk, not extra. Like, I'm fine with that. Peace, brah. Yeah, I'm that simple. How many boyfriends have you had? I have had officially 2 boyfriends. Now I'm on my second boyfriend right now, which is gonna be my husband, I'm sure. Boy. What's your favorite childhood memory? My favorite childhood My favorite childhood memory would be when I used to spend time with my cousins. We used to go to the river. We used to have a lot of fun. I wish I was vlogging from back then. Like, it would be so crazy and so good. Yeah. Do I speak any different languages, and how well? I speak 2 languages. A lot of you don't think Patwa is a language. P.S. It is. So I speak English and I speak Patwa. Yeah, I speak English and Patwa, and I speak them very well. So next question. Do you have any siblings? Yes, I do have siblings. I have my sister Punky. You guys know her from YouTube here. I have a brother called Joel, and I have another sister called Marcia. But me and Punky live together. How would you describe your fashion sense? Very like me on the edge. Like, my think out of the box. Me not simple. No, extraness. I mean that. Yes. But apparently I don't really wear makeup because makeup affects my skin. Like, I have a really sensitive skin, and that is a part of fashion. I don't really wear makeup because of my skin type. What's your favorite restaurant? Well, right now my favorite restaurant, I would say Face Bar. I really like Face Bar because it's in Montego Bay. It's a little bit out of town, and the ambience that you get when you go there, it's really nice. I like to see the faces on the wall. They also have a club, very nicely done, and I know the chef. What are some of your favorite TV shows? Well, tell you the truth, nowadays I don't really watch TV like that, but I did have to get up to date with Power, and I'm nothing good. Yeah, because I still good, and I'm nothing good. Yeah, I love Power. I like reality TV shows like Say Yes to the Dress, something like that. What else I like? I like artistic stuff like Face Off. It comes on Oxygen. If you have a flow, I love Face Off. Anything artistic, I like that. I like documentary, I like the History Channel. You know, I always watch a news channel and dating, so you know you have to keep up to date. News is not a TV show. Okay, Melika. I like The Voice. I like American Idol. Anything that has to do with talent, I like those stuff. Next question, PC or Mac? I have a PC. What do you have? What phone do you have? iOS versus Android. I have a Samsung Galaxy S6 Edge Plus. Beautiful phone. I like Android a lot. Tell us one of your bad habits. One of my bad habits is when I on camera, I'm always like so. Mommy ever cuss my boss is I need to stop. But I'm always doing it. I don't know why. How old am I? I'm only 24. My birthday is next year again, so then I'll be 25. Yes. What's one thing that you do too much of? I'm always laughing. Like, I always have skin my teeth. Like, I don't know, if I check me, I always laugh. If I watch my vlogs them, I'm always smiling, you know. But that's the end of the YouTube get to know me tag. Guys, if you like what I'm presenting here, if you like my personality based off what I told you, what kind of person I am, guys, please remember to subscribe. Please remember to click a like. Get this video to 100 likes. That's a little bit. 100 likes, a little bit. So click the button that goes so. The button that goes so. Click it below. And also click the subscribe button and show the love. Thank you for stopping by.